If you're looking for a quick way to generate 1099s automatically for contractors, you're in the right place. I've tested all the top tools, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it all up in just a few minutes, saving you a ton of time and effort. First, let's talk about the process. Generating 1099s manually is tedious, and the last thing you want is to miss something important. So here's the solution. Automatic generation of 1099s for your contractors. The software we'll be using today streamlines this entire process, making it super simple. To start, you'll need to input your contractor's information into the software. Don't worry, most of these platforms allow you to upload CSV files, so if you already have your contractor's details, you can skip all the typing. Once the data is uploaded, the software will automatically verify everything. If any errors pop up, it will notify you so you can correct them before moving on. Now comes the magic part. The software automatically generates the 1099 forms, ready to be sent to your contractors and filed with the IRS. Depending on the platform you use, the forms can be sent directly via email, or you can print and mail them. Some even have built-in e-filing features, so you won't have to worry about filing your forms with the IRS yourself. Here's the best part. This process takes just a few minutes. There's no need to manually fill out forms, check for mistakes, or spend time going through each contractor individually. It's all done automatically, leaving you more time to focus on running your business. I've tried several of the most popular software options, but the one I'm recommending today stands out. If you're interested, I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. This free trial is only available for viewers of my channel, so make sure you take advantage of that if you want to follow along in real time. Now, let's quickly recap what we've covered. First, input your contractor's information, either manually or by uploading a CSV. Then, the software verifies the data and automatically generates the 1099s for you. Finally, you can send or print the forms directly from the platform, and you're done. The key takeaway here is that automating the generation of 1099s for your contractors not only saves time but also reduces the risk of human error. Take advantage of this free trial to make tax season stress-free and efficient. And don't forget, if you want to follow along, make sure to grab your exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.